नंबर 1 हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. A beam of circular section, 300 mm in diameter is subjected to a shear force of 40 kilonewton, full stop. Determine the maximum shear stress induced. Here we have a circular section, 300 mm in diameter. So I'll write the data. Here we have a circular section. Having its diameter as 300 mm. Fine. Now, it is subjected to a shear force of 40 kilonewton. So F is 40 kilonewton, or you can say this is 40 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Now, question is determine the maximum shear stress induced. यहाँ पे आपको maximum shear stress calculate करना है. It means you have to calculate what is tau max. Fine. Now, again, to calculate tau max, you should know tau average first. So I'll write the solution. Since average shear stress is given by tau average is equal to shear force upon area, which is equal to shear force is 40 multiplied by 10 raised to 3. Capital A is pi by 4 क्योंकि ये circular cross section है, into diameter square. Diameter is 300, pi by 4 into 300 square. So if I calculate this very carefully, I will get my answer of tau average, which comes out to be the answer which I have here. It is 7.068. Okay, that is the answer of area. Tau average is 0.566 Newton per mm square. Okay, so this is tau average. Now I want to calculate maximum shear stress. So since maximum shear stress is given by tau max is equal to 1.5 times of tau average. So that is equal to 1.5 into 0.566. So my answer of tau max is equal to 0.75 Newton per mm square. 0.75 Newton per mm square. That's my answer. Okay. तो यहाँ पे tau max हमसे पूछा था और tau max हम लोगों ने फाइंड किया. उसका आंसर है 0.5 Newton per mm square. So problem number 1 is completed.